Here's what nobody wants to tell you. The men's development industry has a dirty secret. Most of what's being sold to men right now is designed to make you feel like you're doing the work without ever having to make you face what's actually driving it. So you get a few good weeks of feeling better, but then the pressure of life puts you right back to where you started. The same reactions, the same patterns, and the same behaviors. You know what you should be doing, but you're just not doing it. My name is Brendon Giebel. I'm the founder of Advanced Men's Development. What I'm about to show you is something that most men in Australia have never been exposed to. And once you see it, you'll understand immediately why everything else that you have tried in your life hasn't worked. This produces results I still find hard to believe, and I've seen it with hundreds of men. Let me ask you this. Are you sick and tired of repeating the same cycles of anger, withdrawal, and disconnection, no matter how hard you work on yourself? Do you know what you need to do, but you're suffocating under procrastination and self-sabotage? Are you frustrated with the arguments that end up with your own partner bringing up things that you don't even remember saying from 5 years ago?
But you said you'd have it sorted by now.
Maybe you've been trying to work on yourself for years, but when you look back, it doesn't seem like you've really come all that far. And here's the one that hits the hardest for most men. Do you worry about meeting the man that you could have been, looking at his life and thinking,
man, that could have been me?
Now, I'm guessing you're looking for ways to find more meaning and fulfillment into your life and wanting to understand who you are and why you do what you do. If any of that sounds like you, you're in the right place, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal the secret tools to quickly remove the mental and emotional barriers holding you back, so you can grow that much that you become unrecognizable. Sound good? Now, you might be skeptical, and that's valid, but just keep watching to find out. Now, before I reveal this, let me first say that this is not for everyone. I have to be super selective with who I share this with, for reasons that you'll understand in just a moment. But first, let me show you what I'm actually talking about.
It's just such an enormous shift internally, just that from doing these little simple steps, accumulating them, the shift at the end and the gravity of it is enormous. Good advice is expensive, bad advice costs you more. Taking the leap to invest in myself was an excellent decision.
The pattern I've broken that I can really see already is that I've stopped drinking. I'm now at a point where I can walk out of this door and really commit to becoming a better man in all facets of my life. And it's not someone else driving it, it's actually me this time.
I've learnt tools, I guess, which is the most important thing. You can always have goals and dreams, but if you don't have the tools to try and get there, it's just no point even having those dreams.
Mental health has completely turned around. I'm showing up better for myself and my loved ones. Financially, I'm kicking more goals now, taking action. I was always trying to learn more and be more before I took action, and now I'm taking action.
I would do things, but there was never really any belief behind it. And now I'm quite confident in what I'm doing, where I'm going, how I choose to do it. Starting my own business, and I'm looking at creating a lifestyle that works for me and my kids. The big thing that I've actually found working as Brendon as a person is very genuine. There's no ego. He's there to help, and you'll feel it from start all the way through the process. He'll never shy away from helping at all. So, very grateful.
My biggest shift is all the answers that I was looking for are in here. I had some doubts. As soon as I heard the price, I had some doubts, but to be honest, I'd pay double to be here.
The biggest shift has been realising that things I thought didn't affect me as much have affected me, with my father passing away, my brother that I never got to meet, and yeah, just a lot of childhood stuff. Felt lighter, more aware of my thoughts, feeling I'm being able to communicate a lot better.
Definitely feeling a lot more positive about life. My motivations come back as well. Got myself out of a very toxic relationship that I knew wasn't quite right. I'm also currently in the process of removing alcohol from my life, which is something I'm really proud of.
I'm a lot clearer about the man that I am, and I've got a much clearer connection with myself. I feel like a lot of different aspects of my life have changed in many different areas, so it's just so many different things have really started to come into place. I feel like I've connected a lot of dots in different areas of my life, and it's just completely transformed like my path and finding out more about where I am, who I am, and where I want to be, and being able to create a clear roadmap from where I am to where I want to be.
I live with purpose and prosperity. I've got inner peace that's giving me joy to wake up and get out of bed in the morning. The behaviour I've broken is not believing in myself, knowing that I can do whatever I want that my potential's unlimited.
Probably the biggest change is like how I feel about myself. Like I tell people that I feel at peace most of the time as a result of a lot of the work that I've done with Ascend, just shifting a lot of that heavy emotional stuff. So most of the time I feel amazing.
If someone was sitting on the fence and questioning whether to join up to the program, I'd say do it 100%. Just do the 1 hour phone session with Brendon and have a chat with Brendon. But once you've done that 1 hour, yeah, I've just got to make this happen.
Here's what's happening underneath all of it. 95% of what you do is run by your unconscious mind. So you're only consciously aware of about 5% of your own behavior. That means your reactions, your patterns, the self-sabotage aren't coming from the part of you that reads books and sets new goals and makes promises to do better. They're coming from a much deeper level, from the decisions and the limitations that you unknowingly put on yourself as a kid to try and fit in, from the negative programming that we received from our parents, from schooling, and from society, and from the blockages that are stuck in your nervous system. This is why no matter how many people you talk to, no matter how many books you try and read, no matter how many podcasts you listen to, or how much information you learn, nothing seems to shift, because you're working on the 5% and you're leaving the 95% untouched. And that's why you stay stuck. You can't keep trying to override the pattern with more effort and more energy and more willpower. If you want to actually change, you've got to go back to where that pattern was first installed and neutralize it there. That's what we do, and it works faster than most men ever expect.
It ends with us. The 3 or 4 years of generational shit that's been passed down onto us, not our fault, but it's our fucking responsibility, and it ends with you. Because if you don't, who will?
Before I go on, let me briefly explain who I am and why you should listen to me at all. My name is Brendon Giebel. I'm an elite men's coach, a behavior expert, a speaker, and author of 5 books. But more importantly, I've lived this. I was the guy who looked like he had it all together on the outside, but was quietly failing and falling apart. Socially anxious, had a hard time really communicating with others. Things made sense in my head, but they never came out the same way out through my mouth. I struggled with binge eating. I needed to drink to feel like I could be myself. I thought there was something wrong with me. And I had a darkness that took me to the edge of not wanting to be here anymore, and I nearly wasn't. What pulled me back wasn't more motivation, it wasn't a better morning routine, it wasn't therapy. It was understanding my patterns, my beliefs, and my fears that were running me and doing the work to clear them out of my subconscious and out of my nervous system. And that process changed everything. And it became the foundation of what I now teach because it changed my life so much. Since then, I've helped over 2,000 men do the same. Men who've already tried therapy, men who've already read the books, men who've already done multiple programs, but they still feel stuck. It wasn't until they addressed these deeper causes that they started to see massive results in their life. Let me tell you about Dan. Dan was ex-military. He was disconnected from his wife and his kids. He tried to fix it the way most men do, with self-help, traditional systems, and pushing through. Nothing shifted. When Dan came to us, he was still blaming everyone and everything around him for the way that he was. And it wasn't until we started diving underneath all of that, and in our events, we went back to one time when he was about 5 years old, and he released the emotional blocks that he'd been carrying since then, for years, for decades. And since then, that changed so much. Now, 12 months on, Dan has stopped drinking. He's rebuilt his marriage better than he could ever imagine. And his son is already starting to reflect the man that Dan is becoming. He's going to the gym with him all the time. He's just completely changed his life, and he's changed his family's life from him doing the work. Then there's Matt. Matt's a busy father, a business owner, and he looked like he had it all together. But he was inconsistent, he was missing opportunities, and he was carrying this guilt that he just couldn't shake. And he couldn't figure out why, he just kept getting in his own way. But just 3 weeks into the program, Matt described himself as more relaxed, he was more present, and he was a more consistent version of himself. He was having wins in business, he was having stronger relationships, and the guilt was gone. We worked through that subconscious guilt. Not because he tried harder, but because he finally dealt with what was actually causing it. Now, these aren't an exception. This is what happens when you stop working on the surface level issues and you go down and start working on what's at that deeper level. We've rebuilt marriages, families have been reunited, we've had 30 years of pain cleared within a few hours. Men who have spent years in therapy are now finally getting real movement in just weeks. And I know this sounds like an exaggeration, or it might be hard to believe, but it's not. This is what happens when you start doing this work. So what actually makes this different from everything else that you've tried? Most approaches coaches work at the conscious level. They give you more tools to manage what's happening on the surface. Better responses, better habits, better communication strategies, better ways to be more productive. And that's useful if the root cause is already clear. But if you're still running an unconscious pattern that was installed when you were 5 years old, no amount of strategies will fix that. What we do is we go directly to the original imprint, the specific moment in the pattern that it was locked in, and we clear it from there. We don't manage it, we don't reframe it, we clear it. And when that happens, the trigger loses its charge and the reaction stops firing. Not because you're suppressing it, because the root that was feeling it is gone completely. And here's what I want you to understand about this. We're not trying to change you or turn you into someone that you're not. We're letting go of the limitations and returning you back to the truth of who you are. Essentially, we're releasing your abilities that your highest potential already has. And that's why these results stick. And that's why men who have spent years going through circles finally get real movement when they come through this type of work. Now, I know what's probably going through your head. Maybe you're thinking you've tried coaching before and it didn't work. I hear that constantly. And here's the honest answer. Most coaching works on behavior, strategies, accountability, mindset shifts, and that's useful if the root cause has already been cleared or you have very strong willpower. But if you're still running an unconscious pattern from 20 years ago, no strategy touches it. That's not a failure on your part, that's the wrong tool for the job. Or maybe you're concerned that nothing ever works for me. I used to think the exact same way until I understood the reason nothing was working wasn't that I was broken, but that everything I tried was working at the wrong level. It wasn't working because I wasn't doing the real work that we're doing now. Or maybe you're concerned that I can't afford it. Here's the question I'd like to ask you. What's the cost of staying where you are? Not just financially, but in your relationship, your presence as a father, your sense of self. We've had men tell us that this work has paid for itself within the first month, and we offer flexible options to make it accessible to anyone. You've heard some of the men say that they would pay double to do it, so it's definitely worth it. Or maybe you're still concerned that I don't have time. The men I work with are busy. That's not a barrier. I've made this program so you can spend the least amount of time working on yourself for the maximum results. 3 days at our launch event, weekly calls, and that's it. 3 days out of 365. You owe that to yourself. Or maybe you're concerned that this seems too emotional or too deep. Yes, this work does go deep and it does take courage to do this work, but it will change your life. Every man who's shown up for it has said the same thing afterwards. I wish I had done this years ago. Here's what I want you to sit with for a moment. Every day we're making decisions. Every day we're telling ourselves stories. And those stories, those decisions, they're not just affecting you. They're affecting everyone around you, the ones that you care about the most. Your children are watching how you handle pressure. Your partner is deciding every day whether she trusts you to lead. The people in your life who need you to show up, they're counting on you. Not the version of you that's managing it, but the real version. The one underneath all of the conditioning and all of the patterns. That man is in there. He's always been in there. The only question is whether you're going to do something about it. So here's what I'm offering to you. A free 30-minute game plan call, one-on-one with me or a senior member of my team. Here's exactly what happens on that call. First, we find the real pattern, not the story that you've been telling yourself, the actual root cause that's been running your reactions, that's running your relationship, and that's running your results without you knowing it. Second, we map where you are right now using our 4-stage framework. So you know exactly where you're stuck and what specific moves to get you unstuck. Third, we walk you through the 3 clear actions that you can execute within 24 hours. Just real things, not just generic advice. If after 30 minutes, we both think AMD is the right fit for you, I'll send you everything for you to review in your own time. No decision on the call, no pressure. I do want to be straight with you though. This is the first step in a sales process. I'm not going to lie about that. You're smart enough to know that, and I respect you enough to not pretend otherwise. But here's what makes this different from every other coaching call that you've ever been on. If I think you're a good fit and we can really help you, I'm going to invite you to join us as a guest on one of our weekly live calls. So you can see exactly what it looks like from the inside before you make any decision. There's no sales pitch in the room, just watching real men do the work. You get to participate like you're in there, and then you get to decide. Because I'm not interested in putting a man into a program that isn't a right fit for him. The results this business is built on came from men who were genuinely ready, not men who got pressured into doing something that weren't ready. One more thing, we have a strict no asshole policy. If you're not willing to do the work, if you're not willing to be honest with yourself, if you're not willing to take ownership of your life, then this call isn't for you. And and neither is the program. I'd rather work with 10 committed men than 100 who are just curious. So show up honest, I'll do the same, and either way, you will walk away with more clarity than you came in with. The way I see it, you have two options. Option 1, you close this, you go back to doing whatever you've been doing, and hopefully something eventually shifts. But let's be honest, if you were happy with where you were at in life, you wouldn't be still here watching this. And you are still here watching this, and that tells me that you're ready for change and you already know something needs to change. Doing nothing after that realization, that's not staying the same, that's choosing to stay the same. And every day that you do that, the gap between who you are right now and who you know you're capable of being gets wider. Option 2, you click the button below, pick a time, and spend 30 minutes getting clear about where you actually are and what's going on for you right now, and knowing what the first move is. It's one call, it's no cost, there's no obligation. Your children are counting on you, your partner is counting on you, and quite frankly, the man you're capable of becoming is counting on you too. Don't let him down. So click the button down below, book in your call, and I look forward to seeing you there.